Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500 and we're going to be replacing the window sweeps. This is a very common problem on these vehicles and I'm super excited about showing you how to replace them. If you need these or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks! So we'll just match them up to what we've got in here first. This is the outer one. It's the smaller of the two. That looks like it's great. This one right here is the inner one. Kind of hard to match this one up, but we can kind of set it on there. It looks like it's the exact length that we're going to need. Perfect. Thank you, 1A Auto. Okay. If yours isn't peeling up like this, and it isn't easy enough to grab onto to pull it up, you'll just get this tool right here. It's going to slide right down along this. Grab it, and it lifts it up just on the corner enough for you to grab onto. There we are. This tool right here is also available at 1aauto.com and it comes in handy when you're doing these. There we are. This is our old outer one. We'll set this aside for recycling. Now we're going to do the inside sweep. To do that, you just kind of push it off to the side like that. Carefully take this along your glass. Go right along the rubber. This grabs onto it super easy. It lifted it right up for me. Bring it up and pull it right out of there. There's our inside sweep. Let's do a quick product comparison and we'll be able to move along. So here we are, friends, a quick product comparison for you over here. We have our original window sweeps out of our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. I just want to show you the comparison between the new and the old. We'll take our inner sweep, match it up with the old. As you can tell, it's the exact same size. It's got the exact same rubber here. This is the seal, goes along your window, keeps the moisture out and debris. This one right here is in kind of poor condition, so I'm glad we're getting rid of it. Set that aside. We have the outer sweep right here, same exact length. It's got the seal that goes along your window. This one right here, I don't know, not so much. Maybe we'll keep it, but more than likely, I think it's time to get recycled. We'll put that aside as well. With that said, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a quality part to install into the vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. As always, if you need these or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. All right, so we're going to start with the inner sweep. I'm going to just try to push the door panel out of the way a little bit here. You can see where the door is right here, the metal part. That's going to go right inside the channel right there, okay? You've got the big old floppy part. That's going to be where the window rides. This is going to be where the door sits into it. That on there. Slide it as far forward as it can go. Bring it down, down, down. Give it a couple loving bonks. Something to remember you by. Get that over there. Perfect. This looks great. Okay, let's do the outer one. For the outer one, it's not much different than the first. We're going to start it right in. We've got our channel right here. That's where the door is going to sit. If you needed to, and you could use a little bit of lubricant on this. This seems like it's going on nice and easy so far, so I'm just going to go with what we've got going on. Why mess up a good thing? There it is. Perfect. That looks really great. Put this in there. Le poisson. Brand new window sweeps. Wow, that's nice.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.